really feel passion, compassion to do something for our roots. So it's been like, a lot of years, ages, I was away from Telangana, but I do visit to my family and everyone. But there are international platforms. I got shortlisted over there, but what attracted me in this Telangana platform is I can do something for all beautiful women of Telangana. As a lot so let me take an award. Let's take the participation. If I win or lose, I'll gain the experience. If I get an opportunity, then I can at least empower women, especially Telangana, from our Nurlikanda, Armoor, especially from Nizamabad. So, looking at you all, I see the same student I was, few years, ages back. So, what I feel is, all you beautiful women, and chaps over here, you all have a great potential. Okay? Just you need to take an opportunity what comes your way and spread your wings and try and achieve what you dream for. Okay, for a woman, I know family is also important. We have to take care of family, but you should not suppress your dreams. You have to work and you have to convince your family and everyone. You have to work towards your dreams, and you should never forget your family. I always believe that my mother has been really great inspiration since my childhood. She taught me a lot of guitar lessons. So where from I draw a lot of strength. And today, after marriage, even my husband's support, there is a lot of support from my husband. Without my husband's immediate support, I won't be here today. I'm blessed to have all the support from Basa family, my extended family, my sisters, who have been always an inspiration and always fight to encourage me and bring me best in myself, like the best version of myself. So, discipline and respecting the family is very important. At some time, because of career aspirations, we sometimes ignore our own family, our own roots, but you should never do it. And one other thing is discipline. You should have a discipline, no laziness, because nothing is a cakewalk. Everything requires lots of hard work. If you give your 100%, definitely you will achieve something. Definitely, trust me. Mark my words. You just put your 100%. Don't expect back anything. Something really big will come back to you. And this particular platform is actually our regional director, Mrs. India Telangana, is Mamta Trivedi. She herself is a role model. She really created this platform where women can shine bright. So I'm part of it now, and I will definitely take an opportunity to empower women, especially from Nizamabad, and I'm looking forward all you beautiful women who met me today and all the young chaps, to take next step and plan things the way I did, go into the contest. So to give a bit of the background of this competition, competition, as I said, I was more keen to get into Telangana platform because this platform is not only for glamour. This has another aspect, to do the social rights, to do something for community back, which really attracted me because I have always had a compassion to do something to my roots. How did I get there is I didn't know after marriage there are pageantries and everything. I was quite busy with my work-life balance. I have a very challenging role in my corporate life. I'm into management. So I thought this is something yeah. So I'm into banking and financial services. To give a bit of background about my profession is I started with banks and I moved into IT. I worked into business consulting and project management supporting. Now I'm into AI and cloud projects. I do business analysis, etc. I'm an assistant vice president, but I'm kind of a manager over there. So I was busy with my family life, I thought. When I came, I was called for somewhere I think by by mistake I thought let me try and apply. So I was called for international platform, worldwide platform. I gone through auditions and I got shortlisted. But while that was shortlisted, I was not more keen to go there, and I came across Telangana platform. When I applied there, they also shortlisted me, but that really, given my interest because of we are from Telangana. So this platform may give some opportunity to do something for all these beautiful ladies. Okay, I should not take an, I should grab the opportunity and give a try. That was while throughout this journey, I happen to be very inspiring women. All of them can do all that. Even today I came here because of that willpower. You want to do something. You all have some dreams. I'm sure you all have some aspirations, dreams to do something in life. But because of life challenges, you just put back your wishes, dreams at the backstage. So don't do that. Just take next step. Take help of women like me or platforms like Mrs. India, Telangana, etc. And just take the next step. Don't think I may fail. It's okay if you fail. The experience will give lifetime teachings, lessons, etc. So I was not really expecting a big win in this, Mrs. India, Telangana winner. I was expecting at least this participation will give me some kind of learning and also some kind of title, but I think I have given 100%, so I'm here. That's it. This is short journey about the contest and everything. Do you have any questions? You want to hear from me anything else?
So, you can ask any question related to contest or beauty or something.
I will ask the first question. I would like to know beauty is really just the appearance?
Beauty, yeah, it's an appearance, how you present yourself. I don't believe looking beautiful is very important. By heart, how beautiful you are, how you are taking care of your peers, parents, and all your whatever you do in your life, how you are respecting everyone. So the beauty should come from inside. Honestly, believe me, all the young girls here, this platform is not for very good looking women. The women who can think beautifully from heart, okay, in all the ways. That's what the beauty is. What you can do beautifully outside, for outside world, for your family, for yourself, especially first for yourself. If you do something for yourself, then you can do for everyone. It will give you more confidence. That's fine. That answers my question.
Anyone else?
Any questions?
Questions?
Women empowerment. My motive was not being glamored or something. I really want to do what I feel is in today's world, especially in Telangana or some of the areas, it's really responsibilities, and they are not. Yeah, they are quite bogged up with family responsibilities, and they are not taking a step further to fulfill their dreams. Your family is very important. You have to be a very loving housewife, caring mother, caring daughter-in-law, but think for yourself. Think for yourself. And what I'm thinking is, every woman should become financially independent. Though your husband is very rich, just don't go for that. Try to be independent. Do something what is possible. Okay? If you become financially independent, you can think a lot. You can do by yourself a lot. One thing is that some people have financial crisis. They normally try to become financially independent. But even if you are not financially strong and wealthy, still you try to do something. It takes a lot of effort, but you have to go through that process. women should be educationally strong, which provides with knowledge. And try to explore, try to expand your wings. I mean, if we had to go far away from Nizamabad, Hyderabad, Telangana, think that's right. But be careful. Okay, women need safety. That is more important. So you have to be very thoughtful when you are stepping out of your comfort zone. Like you are Telangana, you are traveling. World is not so sweet. It's very clear. I have my long way. I have been to many cities in India. I work to many cities. In UK also, I'm working with very tough people. So you have to become tough. So that's what my small motivation for all young women here. I have seen really, I love to see these college crowd, young girls. They have a lot of energy, a lot of aspirations. The way they come, they came and like small speeches, small talks, but I could really draw a lot of inspiration from you all. All those girls, I can't see but their faces, but yeah, all of them, they were so excited to take pics and everything. I really got inspired with you, all of you. What I'm saying is you all, or some of you got really great potential. Just leverage that, don't try to just suppress your dreams. And try to be educationally strong and fulfill your dreams and try to give back to your family who has put a lot of effort behind you and give back to the society. A small bit, not much. We can't do a lot for the society. We alone can't do, but we can do a small bit, right? So take the opportunity, to participate in such competitions when you come through these platforms. Give it a try. Don't think I'll fail. It's okay. If you fail, that's fine. Your failures are the stepping stones for the success. We may not success for lifelong, but we learn a lot. So I would like to do empowerment financially for women and educationally first, so that I can ensure they fulfill their dreams and they can think independently. So it will be it's good for the society. Women has a great role, in the society. Believe in the family, in the society, women have a great role to do. And when you become independently strong, you can really drive a lot of things. That's it. That answers the question.
Thank you.
Very good question. I think one bit I missed out in my speech, which I want to cover. It's very important to be healthy for you all women. Okay, we run behind the family commitments and we don't take care of our health. No, please don't do that. Give 1 hour time. Go for walking. Go for jogging. Go for gym. Go for swimming. Okay, if you are in the city, you can do swim also. It gives lot of stamina. Okay, and do cycling. Beauty is just because of your lifestyle, healthy lifestyle. What you are eating, be conscious about it. Eat healthy. Keep exercise in your regimen, in your routine. So automatically you become beautiful. Even the whole day you are very busy working hard, and you have to have proper sleep. Okay, I know there are a lot of external things. External things are very helpful, but unless you are helpful from inside, doing exercises and eating healthy, then if you do all this and also use some external products, I normally believe in natural products rather than more chemicals and everything. So these are the tips. Just yes, you all agree to that? Okay, when I come next time, I would like to see some of your girls' stories, short stories. What you did from today till that age. What you did for your health, what you did for your empowerment, what's your dreams, what your goals, how you're working towards it. Plan things well, make your goals, work towards it. Okay? There are a lot of challenges. Path is not very smooth. The journey will not be smooth. There will be a lot of challenges. You have to overcome all those challenges. You all and some of you definitely. I can see that today. Okay? And you all are beautiful actually. You all are beautiful. You all have great potential. Just you have to believe in yourself. Just be as you are, Believe in yourself as you are. Don't do anything external. Your own potential is a great asset for you. you can shine bright in that way also. Believe in yourself. Okay? And taking picture, I always believe my mother, her every tip and every suggestion being very helpful to me. And my sisters, always, thin or thick, they are very supportive to me. You believe in your families. My blessing, my brother is a blessing, it's very motivating me in this journey. All my family, Basa, extended family. So please believe in your family, take their inputs, don't ignore their inputs, which is very important. Especially mothers, sisters, they actually give right suggestions. How far we go, we should really respect our needs. That's why I'm here. Okay, thank you very much.
Degree college students to work harder for their goals. Thank you, ma'am. We are very delighted that she is here. She has well proven woman has no barriers that cannot be crossed. I repeat again, listen carefully. Woman has no barriers that cannot be crossed. There's very beautiful saying of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun.